So the debate goes on, is steak better grilled or is it better in a cast iron skillet? Well, make sure you guys stay tuned and we're gonna make one together. So what's your favorite, grilled or in a cast iron or just in a pan?
Grilled for sure.
For sure.
Yeah.
You said for sure, don't forget. Okay, I'm gonna do my best to make him change his mind with the cast iron skillet steak. I have some potatoes that I've boiled already. I've peeled it, let me see, brother. These are the types of potatoes that I like to use for mashed potatoes. You could use the russet. This is the yellow potato. The skin is really thin, and a lot of the times if you want to keep the skin on and make it more rustic, you can go ahead and do that. I peeled it. I cut them into little pieces, as you can see here. I've cut them. They just boil faster, and it's easier to smash. I have this rice. It's not the garlic press. This is the bigger version of the garlic press. Actually, this right here, potato ricer, I don't know, something like that. Anyways, you can find it on Amazon. It's an awesome, great tool to have. What this does is it has different settings that you can use. Put the potatoes in there, and I'm gonna show you guys how it works. It makes it actually fluffier. So let's go ahead and take out the potatoes. All right, so this is out. You see it's still steaming. So this is the perfect time to go ahead and use this gadget. Smash it. To make this mashed potato even better, obviously, we're gonna dump in half a stick of butter. Okay, so while the butter is melting, I have some heavy cream. Tiny pinch of salt. Now we want this to come to a little simmer. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer this into here. So while that's doing its thing, let's start with the actual potatoes.
Oh, you said actual.
Actual, no, actual. So we'll go ahead and add a few and watch what it does.
No way.
Way. I like it nice, creamy, buttery, and garlicky. So this is simmering. This is pretty much ready to go. This one's gonna get some salt, 2 pinches of black pepper, and also use the garlic press.
Ah, you remember that.
And I'm gonna squeeze it into the butter and the heavy cream.
Hey, garlic and butter guy.
There you go. You got it. I was waiting for you to say it. So that's 4 medium-sized garlic cloves. Move that around. Fire is off, right? This is ready to go. And now I'm gonna add this in, and while I'm adding it in, I'm gonna start folding it, okay? Oh, look at that, it's beautiful. If that doesn't get your mouth watering, bro, look at that. And we're just gonna fold it in.
Oh!
You kidding me? This is one piece, we'll use this one. So fold, smash, 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 smash.
That looks amazing.
Look at that, huh? Nice and creamy. It's not dry. It's not too moist. You know what they say, right? The cook always has to taste. Oh my God, bro. Oh, it's to die for. A little pinch of salt. All right, so pretty much the mashed potato is mashed and it's ready to go. I'm gonna set this one aside and guess what we're gonna start on? The steak. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Today, ribeye steak, that's what we're gonna use. Now, let me give you guys a little tip. A day before, if you have this, season it with your salt. This is kosher. And the reason why is if you season it a day before, put the salt on it, wrap it up, throw it in the fridge. The next day, the salt is gonna penetrate into the actual, I was gonna say skin, into the actual meat, and the actual salt is gonna carry a long way inside that steak rather than doing it now. However, for today, this is what we're gonna do. A little bit of pepper for now, black pepper. Turn this around, pat it down.
You're not gonna cut the fat a little bit?
No, we're not cutting fat, bro. The only fat I need to cut is this fat right here. So this way, and I'm also gonna do the actual fat part right there. Trust me, it's gonna be amazing. Are you questioning my capability to cook, little punk? His little brother, now he's questioning my capability, saying, "Is that too much salt?" I want to see when you eat and say, mmm.
Are you gonna share it with me?
Well, now that you're being mean, no. Some neutral oil, just a little bit. Don't forget we have the fat, and I'm gonna put the fat side. Oh, the sound! Listen.
I hear it.
That's music. Skillet's nice and hot. Let's see. Oh yeah. And we're gonna leave it. I know we all want to flip it, right? You say, "Oh, it's gonna burn." No, no, no. Leave it. Let the protein from the meat detach, or else it'll stick. And of course, la 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 la, some butter. Also, while we're doing this, I forgot to mention that I already have the oven on broil. The last 10 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes, we're gonna stick it into the oven and let it finish off in there. I have sage. If you wanna use rosemary, by all means, go ahead. A little bit of sage. I have about 4 garlic cloves. Smash it up just a little bit, just to wake it up. That goes in. Now, let's check. Oh, my goodness. Isn't that a beauty? Oh, you can smell the sage. Oh, it's absolutely amazing, bro. You know what? We don't call it the garlic and butter guy for nothing. I'm going to put in another stick of butter. Why not?
What? No, too fast.
No, that's how it is, bro. This is going to go in the broiler. You're questioning again my cooking? Half a stick, fine. And it goes in. Look at that. There we go. Now we're talking money right here, bro.
My mouth is salivating even more now.
Yes, sir. Okay, while this is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and take this whole thing, throw it into the broiler, and finish it off about 10 minutes or so. I'll let you guys know. I'll be right back. So we're back. The steak is in the broiler. I'm going to make a really quick sauce with some mushroom just on the side or on top of the actual steak. It's going to complement it really, really well. These are the baby Bella mushrooms. I've already diced them in half. I know they look big now, but once we cook it, it'll shrink. Just for fun, I got these portobello mushrooms as well. We're going to go ahead and cook these. These are steroids on mushrooms on steroids, bro. You never seen one that big? All right, so neutral oil goes in. Let's go ahead and dump these mushrooms in. Oil's hot already. 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of black pepper, and of course some garlic. About 1 teaspoon, just a little bit. I'm gonna throw in some more of the neutral oil. To bring out the moisture, I'm gonna go ahead and cover this. Oh, I forgot one thing, bro. You didn't remind me. Your job is to remind me of this stuff. Some more oil. And we're gonna add a little bit of salt to that mushroom that we put, the portobello. And we'll just let it cook. We'll be right back. Wow, look at that. Now, I've been waiting to do this. Your favorite tequila. Don't do this at home. Ay, ay, ay. I meant to do that.
Yeah, I know you did.
Oh, is all my hair there? Everything there? My eyebrows? Yeah, that was my my fault. A little bit of butter. A little bit more butter. Poor thing. What?
No.
I'm going to cover it for another couple of minutes. I'm going to go ahead and bring out the steak. We're going to bring out the mashed potatoes, and we're going to go ahead and plate everything. And Big Boy over here is ready to eat, and I'm ready to eat. And make sure you guys stick around and see the final product. All right, guys, take a look at it. I brought it out of the oven, and it's ready to go. We have our beautiful steak.
That looks amazing.
Right? Take these out. The mashed potatoes, ice cream scooper, if you'd like. Should I put 2 scoops?
Put 2 scoops.
Big boy.
Oh, that's so.
Okay, now the actual mushrooms. I'm going to take this and use it as a little base for the mushrooms. And we're just going to decorate it just like that. And there you go. And to finish it off, a little bit of green onion, just like that. And then just a little parsley, just because. And there you go, guys. Look at that. A nice cast iron skillet steak with some creamy garlic, buttery mashed potatoes, a little side of some mushrooms with some butter. Absolutely amazing. Are you ready to eat?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, guys, the moment of truth. It's time. Let's go ahead and try this out. You ready, bro?
I'm ready.
You're ready. Oh, that's perfect. Look at that. Little medium action going on. It's perfect. You want mushroom with it?
You go first.
I will go first. Oh my God.
All right, now let me try.
No. Gotta have that too. I don't say. Here, I'll cut one for you. Try that out.
Let's see if it's better than grill.
Oh, dude, it's amazing. I could taste. Huh?
It's so buttery.
It is buttery. Everything is better buttery. Try the mashed potato.
Perfection.
All right, guys. So there you go. Steak, cast iron, some mushrooms, some creamy garlic, mashed potatoes. For those of you that are new, thank you so much for tuning in. For those of you who have subscribed, we thank you for the bottom of our hearts. And also, I wanted to say that we do have an Instagram page. Make sure you guys go there and follow us there. It's the Garlic and Butter Guy, and then also the website, gmbguy.com. Until next time, thank you so much. We'll see you on the next episode.
Welcome, guys. My name is Sean. can't do that.
See how it's not easy.
No, because I'm laughing in your face. That's fine.
Okay.
Welcome back, guys. My name is Sean from the Garlic and Butter Guy.
Why are you looking that way? And of course, the dogs have to put their input in. Okay, I have a little saucepan here. But I'm gonna. Bro, I don't know why I get brain farts when it comes to this kind of stuff.